Hello again, guys. Hello from sunny Cyprus. There's a nice church here. It's brand new, I think. Looks new. Most of the cars here I see are like old model cars. Yeah. So we're going for a long walk today. We're gonna make our 10,000 steps probably. So I don't know what church this is, so probably check it out later. What is this church called? It's lovely, beautiful church. This is in Cyprus roads. There's a bus there. Medical center there. Eye doctor. Green man. It's gone red quickly. $24. Go Bazaar. Got lots of small shops in the area. It's nice. Physiotherapy center. What's the weather like? It's like 35 degrees centigrade. Local shops here. Apartments over there. It's scorching hot. It's mostly some apartments here. So we're up for a walk. It's a long walk, I think. So we're gonna be like very brown after this walk. Oh, nice. They can use that in the road over here. It's like alright. I think it's dangerous. Another local. Okay, dressing color. Yeah, it's combination of business buildings and apartments, residential buildings around here. Some authentic Cypriot cuisine over there. There's another one here. The road. Helen Mini Market. That's a nice house over there. The beautiful trees here, beautiful flowers. We've done around 10 minutes walk and we're already sweating like ice cream. We are already melting like ice cream. Nice to see different buildings, old and new buildings around the area. Paphos, let's go here as well. So I think this one is pharmacy. Yeah, pharmacy. ATM, Euronet. Cross the road again. Most of the drivers here are nice. They let you cross the street. They stop for you and then let you cross the street, which is very nice. It's quite high up over there, so we've got loads of buildings on that hill as well. Filippo flower shop. Loads of nice flowers. Wow. Very good. Mostly hanging plants, hanging flowers. Colorful. Very nice. Bouquet. Less for you, less. Bookie. They have St. Michael's Hospice charity shop there. So we are heading to the town center, the Paphos Old Town Center. Pinero.
Heading in the right direction?
Yeah, well done, Chloe. Chloe is the savior. Charlie, Chloe is good in Google Map. In the direction. Chloe. Skeleton. African Asian shop.
Looking at your phone, we're heading.
Nice aircon. MNS.
We're walking.
Can you look there? Can we look there? Oh, it's nice there. Wi-Fi free. Very hot though. So this is the town center here. Paphos Old Town Center. I can smell some fish food. Tourist information. Art and love. Oh, nice shops here. Paphos Old Town Center, guys. Beautiful. It's covered as well. It's uncovered. It's broken. Oh, my magnet. I need to get my magnet now. Can I get my magnet now, Daddy? My fridge magnet. Nice shops here, guys. Lovely shopping area here. Lovely stuff. Beautiful. Organized shop here. There's a bag, hats, sunglasses. It is covered as well. Beautiful. Thank you, Daddy. Eparisto, Daddy. yes. Oh, this is the front bit. Beautiful church here.